video. So I've just finished editing a picture, like a photo, and I found in the past few days, this is getting confirmed day by day that my photography is boring, right? I'm thinking I need to do something a little bit different, because my pictures, I think they're starting to all look the same, which is not a bad thing when you are a well-established and popular photographer. But if you're nobody, that's some sort of a problem, right? So I had a shoot. When was this shoot? I think it was on Saturday, and came back with about 500 pictures, right? So I've gone through all 500 of those pictures, and there is no picture out of those that I go like straight, okay, this one is gonna make a good edit. Okay, so there's no picture in those that I'm feeling like this is gonna make a good edit, and this is actually a good picture. So there's a problem there. And I think also the area, the picture I'm staying now. So I think if you listen to my podcast or follow me on Instagram, you know that I was almost marked, right? So we're taking pictures just at the railway under the bridge there, and I was almost marked, right? So if you have an investment like a camera DSLR that you bought with your savings, right? Like your last money, you wouldn't feel was encouraged to go out with it more in this environment, considering that people will just chase you for it. So that's I think one of the problems. And also I think it's the same thing with my videos as well. So most of the time I've been doing things, okay, I think it's something to do with comfort, right? So all the videos I've been doing on the pictures I've been editing, they all, like, I'm always applying things that I know, right? So I want something that I will like. Maybe if I was like a big, I was this videographer, or video maker, or cinematographer, or whatever, person who's had this experience in the field, who knows most of the stuff. Maybe if I was that type of a person, my videos would make me not hate, but I'll be satisfied with the way I edit them. But my pictures and videos are not that good or that big. So my standard, I think, needs like a push up, right? Okay, so just to clarify on that, I think writing a video is very important, having a script. So I didn't have a script for this one, that's why I had to add. So with that point, I'm thinking like people who are trained filmmakers and have been in the field for a while, have had time to experiment and new things. Obviously, mostly I'm thinking of the guys that had to go to school for this stuff. Like the experimentation part of it was part and parcel of their courses or whatever. Should have been if it was not. So those people theoretically supposed to know almost everything that's related to these things, which is not the case for me, who, as a person who just have taught himself how to make videos and edit them and whatever. So that means there's a lot of stuff I don't know, and there's a lot of stuff that I could be experimenting with, but I'm being stuck on just doing the same thing. I'm not sure if it makes sense. Okay. So I think those all bounds on or goes along the same lines we got. I think it was Lil Wayne in one of his songs where he said, there's something that they never tell you. It's never like the first time. I remember first starting taking pictures with my iPhone, like on Lightroom, raw pictures, and to edit those. Man, the feeling behind knowing that I take a picture every day and whatever, and now it's sort of gone, right? So also the university, I've explored almost all the parts of the campus and whatever, and to think that for now that's the only safe spot for me. Or the other campus and other universities have tried this last weekend, but also I just came and from that shoot this past weekend, and my pictures aren't very impressive, so I think I have to up it a bit. I'm really bored with my photograph. Obviously, wouldn't be a bonus if I had photographer friends around Cape Town or wherever, people who are interested in the art of the side of photography, not in just the what's this. There are people who are only interested in making money. Obviously, I also want to make money in photography, but the art part to me is very important, like creating stuff, telling some sort of story or whatever, not just shooting a picture just because it's a DSLR, that means it's something good. No, that's not how I do things, right? So like to have photographers who are passionate about photography and whatever, maybe I could learn a few things. Okay, this video I'm not sure where it's going, right? But I think the main thing is that I'm bored with my photography. It's boring. I'm gonna show you the pictures, the before and afters of my previous edits, the edits I did just in today, and you'll see for yourself. It's not going anywhere, right? Okay, that was just a video out of nowhere saying my photography is boring. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with the information, but I think maybe it will be useful to me when I come back and look to this 10 or 15 years from now. That's been it, so nothing easy. I'll see you in the next video because we should be coming shortly. Okay, peace. Okay, so another thing or factor I didn't include in that video is that also as the fact that my videography is also boring. I've been looking at other softwares or other things to play with, like your Cinema 4D, playing with 3D and After Effects and whatever. So I've been taking tutorials on those things, and it seems like they require much more specs in your device. I'm not sure they will run well with my laptop, but we'll see. In future videos we may see some 3D content being introduced to this channel, right? So yeah, back to normal programming.